Hello everyone, welcome to the unboxing of the latest addition to our fleet of advanced devices, the 4D Meta by 4D-Edge, designed for both terrestrial laser scanning and mobile laser scanning. In this video, we'll explore its components, setup process and key functionalities. Let's start by opening the box and examining the contents. First, we have a backpack that facilitates easy carrying of the device over rough terrain. Next, we have a tripod stand to support the laser scanning unit. Here are the tripod wheels which transform the TLS into a trolley-based MLS system. We also have a bag containing the SLAM backpack along with two components, one for attaching the laser scanner to the SLAM backpack and another for attaching a mobile device to the scanner. Now for the main component, the trolley containing the laser scanning unit. Inside the trolley, we find a protective shield for the laser scanner, the laser scanner itself, two batteries, a USB drive, an RTK device, an adapter and a C2C connectivity cable for charging the batteries. This laser scanner is equipped with a 905 nanometer LiDAR that captures 200,000 points per second with a scanning range of up to 70 meters. It includes wide-angle cameras that produce true color point clouds and offer real-time exposure metering. The Ultra HD camera features a 1-inch super bottom CMOS sensor capable of capturing 16K Ultra HD panoramas. Additionally, the RTK device provides centimeter-level high-precision positioning, leveraging GPS, GLONASS, Galileo and Beidou systems. Let's see how to set up the TLS mode. First, we set up the tripod, adjust its height and level it properly using the leveling bubble as a reference. Next, we carefully mount the scanner on the tripod. Power on the device by pressing the power button, then connect it to a mobile or tablet through Wi-Fi. Once the connection is set up, we can start scanning. After the scan is completed, we can view the recorded data on the mobile interface. We can see both the 2D and 3D views of the data collected, including point clouds and panoramic images, all within seconds of scanning. Now, let's see how to turn the TLS system into a trolley-based MLS system. Simply set up the wheels and attach the tripod to them. Switch to SLAM mode and start scanning by moving the scanning unit along the planned path. Let's take a look at the wearable MLS system. First, the surveyor pairs the SLAM backpack and adjusts it for comfort. Next, attaches the component that supports the laser scanner and then mounts the laser scanner onto this component. The SLAM backpack also features a battery compartment for carrying additional batteries while scanning. To start scanning, simply walk along the planned path, covering all the necessary features. The wearable system ensures flexibility and ease of movement, making it ideal for various scanning environments. In conclusion, this dual-purpose laser scanner is versatile and packed with advanced features including 16K high-definition panoramas, point cloud accuracy within plus or minus 1 cm, dynamic point cloud coloring, and fully automated data processing by industry-leading algorithms. It's perfect for professionals in surveying, construction, and 3D modeling. To know more about our services and 4D Meta, contact us through our mail or contact given in the description. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.